In this video, you'll discover one of the easiest ways to set up a WooCommerce buy one, get one free offer, also known as a BOGO deal, to drive sales and build customer loyalty. Let's get straight into it. So let's say, for example, you only want to run this BOGO offer on one particular product, meaning that this deal only applies exclusively to this particular product, right? So let's go ahead and add two of these items to our basket. Make a note of the price that it's $129, right? And we've added two of them and we're still being charged that $129. So we're getting one item for free, right? So that's one method I'll show you. The next method I'll also show you is, let's say, for example, you want to apply this type of rule on a per category basis. I've created a rule that says if they purchase any two items from our chairs category, then they'll get the cheapest one for free. So let's click on this product here and also this product here, and let's add this to our basket. And we'll also add this one to our basket as well. All right. And if we hover over our cart page here, we can see that we're getting it for $80, right? And we're getting the cheapest item for free. Again, and finally, I'll show you how you can trigger this BOGO offer with a coupon code. For example, here, if we remove this coupon code, then the buy one, get one free offer doesn't apply. However, if we enter in this special unique coupon code that we can specify in the backend, then it will apply our buy one, get one free offer. So it's super powerful and flexible. And of course, if you didn't want to trigger it by coupon, then you can do that. You can just set it to automatically apply. All right. So to create a similar setup on your WooCommerce store, the first step is to head over to aovup.com. Go ahead and download the AOVUp Dynamic Pricing and Discounts Rules plugin. I'll leave a link in the description below. And with that being said, let's head over to our dashboard. Assuming you've downloaded and installed the AOVUp Dynamic Pricing and Discounts Rules plugin, the next step is to go ahead and create our rule. So I'm going to create it per single product only first. And then later on, I'll leave everything timestamped as well. Later on, we'll go ahead and set it on a category basis. So let's head over to our product page. All right, and I just want to create a buy one, get one free offer on this particular watch. To do so, we just need to navigate over to where it says pricing discounts rules. Click on this option here, and then we can click add pricing group. And then we get to choose who we want this to apply to. So we can set it to everyone, guest users, which are users logged out of our site, a specific user role, or even a specific user. I'm going to set it to everyone. We can also set it to first time buyers only. I'm going to leave that unchecked. Quantities based on product quantity, that's fine. For the processing mode, we're going to go ahead and select special offer. We also have the option to schedule this into the future, right? But we're going to ignore this for now. I'm going to say if a user purchase one item, then they'll get one item for free. So we're going to select percentage discount here, and then we're going to say 100%, right? And then here we get to choose whether we want this rule to repeat or not. If you select it to no, they'll only be able to redeem this offer once. If you set it to repeat, then essentially if they were to purchase two items, then they'll end up with four items because both of those items would qualify for the buy one, get one free option. So I'm going to leave this to no, meaning it can only redeem this once. And now we can go ahead and hit update or save changes in your case. All right, let's view the product. Let's go ahead and choose our configuration here. And these extra options here is generated from our AOVUp product options plugin, right? So let's go ahead and add two to our basket. So normally this would be 258. However, when we add it to our basket, we're just getting charged for the one item, and we can remove this just to make it super simple. Let's view our cart page. We're just being charged for one item. So essentially the user's getting one item for free. So next we're going to do it on a category basis. All right, so I'm going to create a rule that says if a user purchases any two of these items, we'll give them the cheapest one for free. So to do so, we'll head back over to our dashboard. This time we'll navigate over to AOVUp, and then we'll select dynamic pricing rules. Now we'll click on advanced rules. So in your case, you'll go ahead and click add category pricing. We can give this a name just for internal purposes. All right, so here where it says categories to count, this is a category that's going to trigger our BOGO deal, right? So I'm going to select our chairs category, and where it says category to adjust, it means where should we apply the discount that we'll be providing further down this page. So we also want to provide it in the chairs category, right? And the reason why we've got these options here is, for example, you could create a rule that says if you buy an item from our accessories category, we'll give you a free item from our clothing category. So this is why we've got these two separate options here. But since we're running this offer exclusively to our chairs category, we want the chairs category to trigger it, and we also want the chairs category to get that discount applied. All right, so just like on the product level, we get to choose who we want it to apply to, whether it's a first-time buyer. And again, just like on the product page, we get to choose special offer here for the rule processing mode. All right, so again, just like on the product level, they need to purchase one item, and then they'll receive one item, the cheapest item, for free. And we'll select percentage discount here, and we'll set it to 100%. And for repeating, we'll leave that to no. All right, so let's hit save changes. Okay, so now let's refresh this page. Okay, so I'm going to purchase this item and also this item. So our cart total should essentially be just $80 because we'll get the cheapest one for free. All right, and now let's go ahead and add this to our basket. I think this is running a different rule. Okay, perfect. All right, so when we hover over our cart page here, we can see that we're getting this particular product for free, right? And we're only paying for this particular one. So that's our BOGO offer. All right, so let's take it one step further. Let's trigger this offer using a coupon code. So to do that, it's quite simple. We'll head back over to our dashboard here, and then we'll select apply with coupon code. And then we'll search for a coupon code that we've already created on the system. For example, Johnny. And let's go ahead and hit save changes. Let's head over to our cart page, and we should be charged full price. All right. So we are being charged for this one here. However, when we're entering our coupon code, let's hit apply. All right. Now we're just being charged $80 for the one item, and we're getting this one for free. Like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you've got any questions, leave it in the comment box.